This is Academy's copy of the original Tamiya Flakpanzer IV. The kit goes back to the 90s, and thought it was a great idea to make it. Just a disclaimer that this is a horrible kit. This is where we are right now. There's so many things wrong with it. This project has been going on for many years, on and off, and I did a lot of work on it, doing a lot of detailing the gun, hollowing the barrel, including the tie downs. They're adding some welding seams. I also add some zimmerit, thinning the guardrails, and then making some other adjustments to the kit. I guess we can continue. So I'm going to do some masking, and I'm going to use these crosses German armor vehicle stenciling template. It's a really good set. So to get some interesting effects, I also use these kind of templates. They call airbrush templates. For the three-tone camouflage, I use red, brown, the standard dark green. For the dark yellow, actually, I use dark yellow and dark yellow too, so I could get some interesting effects on the actual paint. Sorry I forgot to video this last part, but check in the link. I have some other videos that tells you about how I did this.